Hello everyone. Now you are watching Zeal News. I am Raghu Patel, your host with March bulletins from Zeal Junior College Sangli. So let's move toward the headlines. Headlines: Zeal prior grade 12 aspirants set milestone in JEE exam 2023. Zeal 12 students conquers HSC board exam 2023. Zeal collegiates grand test exam and aspirants achieve the laurels. Now headlines in details. You can't connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect the dots looking backward. So you have to trust that dots will somehow connect your future. You have to trust in something, your gut, destiny, life, karma, whatever. This approach has never let me down and it has made all the difference in life. Steve Jobs. The results of joint entrance examination has been declared by National Testing Agency. Zeal students perform extraordinarily. Speaking on occasion, Zeal Junior College Director, Principal, Science Coordinator and faculties attributed the success of the well-researched, meticulously organized system of teaching at Zeal premises. Our curriculum and well-planned schedule ensures that students are perfect in each and every concept and have a greater grasp of fundamentals of every subject. This helps them to perform with aplomb at every competitive examinations. Across all categories, 14 students were ranked within 85 to 100 percentiles and students were ranked within 170. Over 14 students from Zeal Pioneer Batch has qualified for JEE examination. It is a tremendous achievement and a testament to the consistency and excellence of Zeal education system. Our JEE aspirants like Master Arjun Bhosle obtained 98.40 percentile, Ms. Vaishnavi Patil secured 90.39 percentile, Master Shreyas Patil obtained 86.71 percentile, Master Pratham Kadam secured 81.32 percentile, Master Yash Kanare obtained 81.32 percentile, Ms. Pranjal Meghani secured 80.65 percentile. Along with Solman Devkule, Master Siddharth Dhotre, Soyam Sangwe, Master Junaid Sheikh, Master Anish Desai, Master Vaibhav Shinde, Master Sneh Gazge qualified for JEE exam. Under the guidance of Honorable Secretary Jayesh Katkar Sir, Honorable Director Sanjay Mahadik Sir, Principal Meghali Nargatche Ma'am, Science Coordinator Dr. Elvin Singh Sir, Commerce Coordinator Neha Sarda Ma'am and Admin Officer Abhay Bilavde Sir and Science faculties guided them along with expectations to reach the pinnacle of success in JEE Advanced Examination with flying colors. Success is the sum of all efforts repeated day in and day out. Climb high, climb far. Your goal is the sky, your aim the star. The Maharashtra State Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education conducted the Maharashtra State 12th Board Exam 2023 on February 21, 2023 onwards. The exam was conducted from 11 am to 2:10 pm as the extra 10 minutes were given to students this time to go through their answer sheets. The Maharashtra State Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education conducts the HSC and SSC board examination in state of Maharashtra through its 9 divisional boards located at Pune, Mumbai, Aurangabad, Nasik, Kolhapur, Amravati, Latur, Nagpur and Ratnagiri. Our Zeal students with great pomp and enthusiasm appeared for board exam 2023. This is our first batch along with 185 students from different areas from Sangli and Kolhapur district. Zeal students prepared for the class 12 board examination by covering the entire syllabus in time. They also regularly revised all the important topics in order to improve their scores. The result of class 12 board examination are very important as it serves as a reference point for securing admissions to a good college. They solve and practice the previous question papers in order to know the level of difficulty. This will help them to keep track of their preparations, by which they can find the weak areas and improve. Solving this paper also brings confidence and can help in scoring good marks in exam. Students learn the art of writing answers in exam. Subjects like English, Physics, Chemistry, Biology, Maths, Geography can be helped in scoring well if attempted strategically. They tried not to spend too much time on a single question. First, try to answer the questions they know. Try to utilize the first 15 minutes of the exam to make a strategy. Our faculties prepared them with restless efforts to conquer the world with zeal excellency. You are born to win, but to be a winner, you must plan to win, prepare to win, and expect to win. As our aspirants not only show the consistency in subjective and objective exam, but they also reached on the pinnacle of success in grand test, and they had made us proud to be a Zealian. Zeal Junior College, Sangli always thrives to cater to all-round development of the students. The main focus of the college has always been on improving the soft skills and competitive skills among the students. With this intention in mind, our college conducts subjective and objective examination to prepare aspirants in competitive as well as board exam preparation. Even though monthly grand tests conducts in online and offline mode too, the objective of exam was to make the students confident and better ambitious so that they can fearlessly create the self-identity on the surface of earth. Examination is an excellent way to assist the students not only in spontaneous thinking but also in asserting their creative ideas with precision. So Zeal created such a passionate students a fabulous platform to set a benchmark to their followers. JEE, NEET and CET is their ultimate aim. Our students studied day and night by restlessly to be written in the golden history with flying colors by setting AIR rank in top level. As we know, in March month, Zeal conducted subjective, objective and grand tests. So, it's time to declare the results. From PCM, Master Rudra Lambe secured first rank in all category tests. From PCB, Ms. Rivarati secured first rank in all category tests. Congratulations to all the rank holders and all the best for rest of the students. That's all from the month of March. We will see you soon. Till then, stay connected, stay tuned. Thank you very much.